try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Alexis Michala channel, and today it is Friday, June 10th at 7:38 currently, and I just wanted to go ahead and open up the vlog. If you're new here, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and please don't hesitate to leave a comment, okay? As you guys know, I'm on the road to at least 100,000 subscribers, and so yeah, if you like what you see, stick around. This weekend though, on Sunday to be specific, I'm going to drop the second part of my graduation vlog. The kiddies are dropping another video on their channel, and my mom is also going to be dropping a video on her channel. And all the links to their channel is in the description box, so if you would like to, please check out those videos as well. What else do I have planned so far? So I have one more meeting today. Tomorrow I have training. I have some other meetings. Sunday is the day for me and Sophie to get together so I can give her a bath. I'm gonna groom her, you know, shave some hair off, make her face, you know, kind of tidy. And then what else? Oh yeah, so guys, I think it was this past weekend, my retainers, so my doctor called it my permanent retainers, but so I guess they're my permanent removable retainers. One of the pieces broke off of the top part, and it's kind of like the one of the pieces that kind of like hugs one of my teeth back there. So yeah, I have to get that fixed, and that's gonna be like $250 to like $300 to fix. So yeah, I have to do that. Also, I have to take Jackson to an appointment because he has to get another round of like the Cytopoint injection, and that's basically just his allergy medicines to help with his itching. And then Sophie probably has to go in. The doctor or the nurse practitioner, whoever she is, I don't think it was Dr. Glover, she recommended that she started taking some Benadryl to kind of like help with the itching, but I kind of think it's helping, but I don't think it's helping. So I really want her to go in and be seen because she's losing hair, and I don't want her to be, you know, walking around with bald spots. I kind of want them to get down to the bottom of it. So yeah, I'm going to be taking her in soon. And yeah, so I'm not really sure what's going to be happening in this vlog, but you know, we'll see, of course, when it's all said and done. But I just wanted to go ahead and open up the introduction. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I have a Pinterest. I'm not active on Twitter. But yeah, so, you know, don't forget, of course, to subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. And add me on Pinterest, or follow me on Pinterest. So yeah. So I think I told you guys kind of about the changes that I wanted to make to my room. I don't know, it may have been someone else, but anyways, let me fill you guys in. So as you can see, this is my desk behind me, and it doesn't match with the color, you know what I'm saying? My colors for interior decorating is probably like the gray, like my bedspread. But anyways, so I really want a king size bed. So I'm going to be getting that soon. I really want to paint this desk. I want it to be painted gray. Yeah, and then I want my bookshelf to be painted gray. I want everything kind of like gray, black, and white, you know, along that color scheme. So I really want a new bed frame, you know, everything. I just want a whole new, you know what I'm saying? I want it to be decorated the way I want it to be decorated, and I want it to be really nice. So yeah, I just kind of want to tell you guys that as well. So look out for that, you know, when we go shopping and stuff. Hi guys, so a lot has happened since you guys have last seen the last clip that I recorded. But anyways, today is Sunday, June 19th. So happy Juneteenth, everybody. Of course, you guys know with that, it's also Father's Day. But anyway, we have a couple things on the agenda to do today. So one, of course, I have some meetings. I have work stuff to do. Besides that, I have to clean the bathroom. I need to wash Sophie's bowls. I actually need to give her a bath, or rather just kind of like wash her face. And I really want to go to sleep. I really want to go back to sleep. I've been up since like a little bit after 7. But yeah, I desire sleep right now. But come along with me. Come along. Let's clean. Let's do some work stuff, you know? Let's go.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. The note and the right. There's a whole yard full of pans. Full of pans.
stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test, expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave